I'm going to show you how to make Play-Doh with 3 ingredients. You need 1 cup of flour.
Oops, that was a little more than a cup, but that's okay.
Next, we need a half a cup of salt.
And then mix, mix, mix.
Last but not least, you need a half a cup of water.
That's right.
Oh, it's so slimy.
Wow.
Ugh, feels like slime. Hard slime.
Mix until you form a dough ball. Now cut it into 4 equal sections.
And there you have it.
And here we're just putting it into 4 different bowls to add some color to our Play-Doh. We're just using some food coloring that you can find at the grocery store.
This one's blue. This one's green. This one's red. And this one is green. I'm gonna start with the blue.
How many drops are you putting in? Okay, that's enough. That's more than a drop.
Here's the red one. Now it's the green one. Oop. Oop. Now it's the yellow one, which is the last one. That looks like orange.
Now mix the color into the Play-Doh.
So cool. Oh, it looks like a little heart. Oh, it's spitting out
Oh
like lava.
no! It's lava!
Look at this, it's lava, guys. Lava.
Oh my goodness!
Spreading lava. Look at that. Two down, 2 more to go. Now this looks more like lava. Red lava, perfectly lava. Look at that. It's coming from the bottom. Ooh, it's changing color. I think I need more red. good hole. And then 1, 2. Just in case it doesn't spill. That's much better. This looks like orange, like the orange that you eat. But it's actually yellow. But it's gonna turn into yellow though. Right now it's orange. Oh, I can almost see the yellow. Can you guys almost see the yellow? Look at it. Almost yellow. Time to play with my cool Play-Doh. It's yellow.
Okay.
And I'll put it inside this one. Kind of like cheese for pepperoni and cheese. Oh my goodness, I got us like cheese. Just a little smidge to take out, just in case it breaks, just in case it won't fit.
Share this video with a friend and let us know if you make it.
Don't forget to ask your parents for help.
Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.